What happened?
Oh my god, I couldn't fix the damn thing. I didn't even know where to start. How am I gonna feed my goddamn kids? Can't even fix a fan. You caused me so much pain. What is my new occupation gonna be? I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I took all my money out to get my kids a swimming pool. I'm basically screwed. I ain't got nothing to do. There's no damn thing. Get the camera on my face. Shit. Get the thing out of here. Is there any reason why you're putting this in my face? Any particular reason why? Huh? Don't you see a man in pain? You're testing my patience, okay? Get the camera off. Get the camera over here. The hell? Can you go away?
It's okay, you can fix the fan, dude.
It's broken in half. How can I fix it?
You can fix it.
It's done broke.
You can fix it.
It's broke in half. Okay?
But you're Dale Gibson.
Come on.
You work for Fans United. You can fix it.
Come on. Look at here, Chico. It ain't gonna go back together. No way, no how.
You can fix it. I believe in you, Dale.
My life is over.
Dale! This is only the beginning of your career.
I've been working for 25 years, okay? I can do 'em, bro. I just lost my touch.
You can fix it, Dale. I believe in you.
Well, Dale don't believe in himself. That's what it comes down to today.
Well.
Just dig my grave.
I think you can fix it, dude.
Just dig my grave, okay? I ain't got nothing else to do.
You can fix this fan.
No, I can't. It's in half. It's in half. You see that? Does that look like a fan to you? Does that look like I could be fixed to you? Huh?
It's fixable.
Step one, mount.
You can fix it.
You can fix it.
I think I can do it.
You can fix it.
You already fixed it. There we go.
Holy shit. Shoot.
You just gotta believe in faith. This is your rise.
Rise above. Rise above. Oh.
What did you do?
You broke it.
I broke it again.
Oh no.